So one of the biggest problems right now that we're running into with the Xbox proof of concept is that there isn't really a great way to get all of the code back into this application right here, which is running on the Xbox One. Now, I made a tweet a bit earlier of looking at the Tiny Duck. I've already since found out that that's not going to be the best solution because it doesn't hold as much memory as needed in order to get the full script on it. So I've since abandoned that project. There has been another video that I just saw and I really liked it using just a Raspberry Pi Pico. So I would absolutely recommend checking that out. Now, as of the moment right now, Microsoft has not patched this on their servers. So you can still update and use this as of today. And I was looking at some ways that maybe we could make this a bit easier. And it looks like one of the ways that you can do is go to the Microsoft Store. So let's head over to the store here. And I have taken this Xbox back online. And I'm going to go to search here. And the application is going to be Notepad, and it's just going to be this one right here. So I'm going to select it, and we're going to get it. So on your PC, go ahead and insert a USB drive, because what we're going to do is we're going to come to this proof of concept script, and we're going to go to raw. What we want to do is we want to select everything right here. And you can paste it and then just save this as a text file to your USB drive. In just a second, we're going to plug that into our Xbox and then read the contents of this file. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Just go ahead and make sure you have your USB drive inserted with a text file of the proof of concept code, and then go to open file. And we're going to scroll over here to the USB drive. I'm going to select this text file that I created, and there is all of the code. And once it loads in all of the code, we're going to click on this little hamburger menu here. We're going to select all, and then we're going to just come back over here again, and we're going to go back into the menu. And this time we're going to select copy. Okay, so everything now should be in the clipboard. Let's head back over to our game script application. And we're just going to take the option here to paste code. So once you've got everything in there, press and hold down the X button, and then you can move these windows around. So we need to go ahead and press the X button again, and we're going to press the right button, and we're going to go over to Windows. And from here, I'm going to put a check mark on Show Console Window, and I'm going to hold down that X button again because I'm going to move this window over just a little bit. Now I'm going to hold down X again, hit the right button, and we're back over on the Windows tab there. And now we need to put a check mark right here on Show Code Run Window. We're going to press A here. Now it will take a few seconds for this to check mark, so just give it just a few. And right there you've got shellcode return value of 1337, which means this Xbox is completely vulnerable. And so the thing to keep in mind here is that if you're watching this video recently after I published it, you can obviously go and download this Notepad application. Otherwise, if Microsoft has already updated the Xbox firmware, then you'll no longer be able to connect to the store to actually download it from the store. So from there, you would definitely want to use one of the keyboard emulation devices like I saw with the Raspberry Pico. But anyway, as you can see here, the code just loops and it runs multiple times. But if you do get that 1337, then you are in great shape. And hopefully I helped you along the way. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to take your console back offline after you do this. All right. Thanks so very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Michael, out.